Hello everybody, another video here. It's just a quick update on the Carson off-road fighter buggy that I was previously trying to get out of the shed and running again. As you can see, you are looking at it, it's looks like a brand new car, and so basically I've got a wing for it, got a body for it, and it's got a new set of wheels. So I'm just going to go through a few things first. So the wing is HPI, that just went straight on there. I didn't have to make any adjustments to that, which was good. The wheels are from Fast Tracks. It's about, I think it's about 12 to 13 pound for two, so about 25 pound for four new wheels, which completely changes the car when you look at it. The body, I had a bit of trouble with the body. It doesn't fit exactly. So what I've had to do with this, because the mounting holes don't align with the chassis body posts, I've had to make two adapters that retrofit onto the existing lugs. So I've done one at the back, which brings the lug which brings the lug back into the car. That aligns with the mounting hole of the body. The same with the front as well. I've had to make an adapter that brings the lug back in, so that exactly fits the mounting hole of the body. And what I'll do, I'll show you the what I've done. Take that off. So if you look here, there's the existing body post for, that's basically on the chassis, and I've made this angle here with a new lug on it. I've designed and 3D printed it so it aligns with the body. Same with the front one as well. Let's get it to focus. So again, I've made designed a 3D print, and that really works really well. So yeah, that's the update so far. Hopefully I'll get it running quite soon. Thank you.